Akamai Technologies shares moving lower this morning. The company beat profit expectations, but missed on revenue. First quarter guidance came in slightly lower than expected amid a slowdown in demand for its cloud security services. Joining us now on a First on CNBC interview is Tom Leighton, Akamai Technologies CEO and co-founder. Tom, it's always good to see you. You're involved in a little bit of a transformation, and this isn't the same Akamai, I guess, that we used to talk to you about 5 years ago, for example. More cloud, more security, instead of what the content delivery business that you're so well known for.
That's right. Content delivery is still a very important business for us. We're still the market leader by a wide margin, but it's actually security that drives most of our revenue, strong growth there. And as we look forward, cloud computing is a very large growth vector for us. Last year, we did $500 million and forecasting very strong growth for the future. And just announced our new distributed compute program called Gecko. By the end of 2024, we are planning to have support for virtual machines in about 100 cities around the world. And we'll be the only cloud provider that does anything close to that.
As a layman, we're trying to figure it out. So Gecko, generalized edge computing. So you explain it that you used to bring content right to users. Now you're going to be able to bring computing directly to users, as far as calling it on the edge. Have I got that right?
That's exactly right. And if you move the application logic close to the user, it can be a lot faster. It's a lot more scalable. And also, we can do it much less expensively than in a big core data center like you would get from the hyperscalers. So really, it's a great win for our customers.
Trying to figure out what does it entail rolling it out? You start in what? How many? You start in 25 areas, and then you're going to get to 100 by the end of the year. What does it entail? Installing
yes,
servers?
And today with Akamai, because of our delivery and security, we're already in over 4,000 points of presence in over 750 cities. And that's for delivery and for security. And now what we're doing is adding support for compute, for virtual machines and containers, so that the entire application can be run close to the end users, not just securing it there in the first line of defense, not just delivering it, but actually doing the computing there. So it's adding that capability into our existing platform. And you're right, today we're in 25 cities. By the end of the year for compute, we'll be in 100 of the 750 cities.
Okay. So right now your revenue is 60%. It's moved away from content delivery. It's 60% cloud and security. What will this Gecko be adding to? Is that adding to is that classified under cloud computing now?
Yeah, that's it, classified under cloud computing, and that's our strongest growth area. We're forecasting at least 20% growth in that category this year. And I think as you look to Akamai in the future, say 5 years from now, maybe it's not security that's the largest product line, but it's compute. So tremendous growth potential there.
So I see in the word Akamai, I see AI in there at least once. So does that factor into your plans? It's in everybody's plans. What does it mean for you?
Yeah, of course. We've been using AI for a long time in our security products. It's how we decide if it's a human or a bot out there, or if a human is accessing a bank account and has the right credentials. It's how we decide, is it really the right human or an imposter, trying to steal the funds? So we've been using AI for a long time. And now with Gen AI, a couple of things happen. First, it's really helped the attackers. We're seeing a lot more penetrations. And that's, I think, really increased the need for our market-leading segmentation solution, which identifies when the enterprise has been penetrated and proactively blocks the spread of the malware so it doesn't cause damage. The other big difference is that it's increasing the need for compute cycles, obviously. And we already have customers using AI inference engines on our compute platform to personalize content on the website, and to make better security solutions, because now you can do that at scale in real time at the edge.
Right. has nothing to do with your results or anything, but I just almost got like a hair on the back of my neck stood up a little. So your co-founder, what a genius and what a person, 37 years old, classified as the first person to die in the September 11th attacks. He was in the first plane and stabbed. And he must have been a genius, mathematician, entrepreneur. And I was figuring out how old he'd be today. He'd just now be about 60 years old, I think.
Yeah, Danny, incredible human being, just every way you look at it. You're right, a genius mathematician. Also, and a lot of people didn't know this, but a captain in the Sayeret Mokhtel, which is the elite unit of the IDF, and a specialist in counterterrorism. And so when American Flight 11 was being hijacked, he stood up, tried to defend the stewardesses and cockpit, and was killed in that effort before the plane crashed in the World Trade Center. So just an incredible hero as well. And, a great loss for all of us on September 11th.
And you still, the highest award Akamai gives out is named after him, for the Danny Lewin Award, I guess. That's
right. We have a little over 10,000 employees around the world. And every year we recognize just a very few of them, 3, 4, or 5 employees for embodying Danny's spirit and their ability to move mountains on behalf of our customers to do the impossible, really. And that's named for Danny. No cash is provided, but it's just the honor of being named after Danny as a Titan Award winner.